Let's install this new shifter cable. I like to lube it first for smooth shifts and to prevent rust. I use sewing machine oil, which is mineral based, but you can also use silicone oil. Just a few drops on a cotton swab and lightly coat the cable. Shift to the final gear position before you route the cable. Start with the tip, which goes into this small hole. It's hitting the end. Give it a little help to push it through. There it goes. Pull the cable all the way through and seat the head. It's locked in place. Let's grab the first piece of housing. We'll route the cable through this, tuck it behind other cables for minimal stress, and hook it up right there. Insert the cable tip into the slot and route it behind all other cables. I'll do this quickly. And that's the other end of the housing. The one to the left is for the rear derailleur. Goes from under the bottom bracket on this bike. There's a tiny hole here to insert the cable. Pull it all the way through and route it from behind. From here to the rear derailleur. That said, here's the final piece of housing. This end will connect to the derailleur, which we'll fit next. Now let's fit the derailleur. The tip of this bolt will fit into the hanger. Be careful not to cross thread. It should go in smoothly. The tip of this body angle screw needs to rest on the back of the hanger. So hold the derailleur this way while tightening the bolt. This ensures the body angle screw stays aligned. Tighten it to medium torque. Don't overdo it. This is a spring-loaded pivot, so it will extend down once the chain is routed. The front derailleur attaches to the seat tube with this clamp. You see these marks where it was previously fitted? We'll position it exactly there. Tighten it just enough to hold it in place because we'll need to adjust the height and cage angle while tuning, which we'll cover in the next episode. Trust me, this chain was full of grime and I've shown how to get it squeaky clean in a previous episode. Do check it out via the I button or the description. Now let's route the chain through the derailleur cage. Place it on any chainring for now. Over the last cog. Okay. Next, over the guide pulley, then over the tension pulley, just like the letter S mirrored. Let's do it. Over the guide pulley, make sure the links slot into place. It should go under this tab. Pull the chain. And this will eventually connect to close the loop. Slot the links between the teeth. Join the link by hand. Alright, this should stay in place. And now we need to push the rivet back into its place, for which we'll need a chain splitting tool. I have already done a detailed video on this. Check out the I button and the description box. Alright, set the tip of the tool on the tip of the rivet and tighten until the rivet reaches the end. And how do you know that? The tool feels tight at this point, which means you're done. See that? It's perfect. Remove the tool. And we have a perfect joint that moves freely. The chain looks good. In our next episode, we'll tune this derailleur from scratch. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you won't miss it, and drop a like if you found this video helpful.